Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Otram's YouTube channel. Today I've got a 95 Land Cruiser that we're doing a whole bunch of cooling system work on. And one of the things we're doing is replacing the thermostat, and I realized I've never done a basic maintenance how to do a thermostat video on one of these. So I figured I'd take you along for the ride. Before we get into it, I just wanted to say if you find this useful, please like and subscribe. And if you want to help support the channel, check out our membership option that's linked down below. So let me get this up in the air and we'll get started. And I've already drained the cooling system on this, but this guy right here is the drain cock, and you would just put pliers or one of these drain cock wrenches on there and open that up to drain it, just like that, and it'll start coming out this hole in the bottom of the frame rail. And a lot of the time, it'll fill up the frame rail. So be ready with a wide drain pan, because as soon as you crack this valve open, it's gonna kind of spread everywhere. But yeah, let me lower this down and we'll do thermostat up top. So I've got the camera up as high as I can get it. And unfortunately, we're a little bit short of being able to see the bottom bolt. But this guy right here is your thermostat. Normally, you would have another exhaust manifold right here. I've got it out because I got the oil cooler off cleaning things out. But it's just three 12mm nuts holding the thermostat housing on here. And the bottom one is kind of down behind this AC line and kind of fun to get to. There we go. And I'd be kind of interested to see what the inside of this looks like. This is the truck that's in the short videos. It's all oil contaminated in the cooling system, which is why we're replacing thermostat and all the hoses. But once you've got those three nuts off, the housing just pulls back, and there's our thermostat. And not nearly as much goo in there as I thought there would be, but the gasket is all swollen from oil contamination. So then we've got our new thermostat and thermostat gasket. Come on, focus. There we go. And the gasket just kind of works around the edge. There's a groove in it. And you just make sure that that's all seated properly. And it'll look, like an even circle without lumps when you've got it on there properly. And then this little guy is the jiggle valve. That goes at the top so that air can bleed past it, so you don't get an air pocket stuck behind the thermostat that keeps it from opening. So this just gets stuck back in the housing with the jiggle valve pointing up, and slip the cover back over it. Sometimes the thermostat will want to pop out while you're putting the cover back on. This one played nice and stayed in there. And then the nuts just get torqued to 15 foot-pounds. And there we go, quick and easy video on changing out the thermostat. I've obviously got to put the oil cooler back on, and I'm going to change all these hoses before I fill this back up, but I will link the video on how we pressure test and refill cooling systems. I'll link that up in the corner. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you found that useful, and I'll catch you next time.